Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet a ruffle flower. For this pattern, you just need to know how to do a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do a double crochet. So to get started, we are going to chain 15. And these 15 chains are actually going to be the stem portion of the flower. Once we have our 15 chains, we are going to chain 5. And in the 6th chain from the hook, you're going to work your first double crochet. Next, we are going to chain 5. And we're going to work a double crochet in the next stitch. And we're going to repeat this 4 more times. So it's going to be chaining 5 and working a double crochet in the next stitch. Chaining 5, working a double crochet in the next stitch, chaining 5, and working a double crochet in the next stitch. And the goal is you want to have 6 of these chain 5s. So we got one more, we're going to chain 5. And we are going to work a double crochet in the next stitch. So now that we have all of our little ruffly bits, we are going to work a double crochet back into the space of our first double crochet. So this part that I'm calling the stem, you want that to face away from you. And you want to work a double crochet into the first double crochet space from the beginning. So make sure you pull that stem away from you and work a double crochet. Then we are going to turn our work, so now the stem is facing you, and you want to locate the 4th double crochet that we have done. And in that double crochet space, you are going to work a double crochet to close off the ruffle flower. And that's it. That's how you crochet a ruffle flower. Super fun and easy. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.